Hi everyone, once again welcome back to our channel. In this video, let us discuss how to calculate square root of a perfect square number within 5 seconds. It is very simple technique and going to explain clearly. It is 3-step procedure. So, let us consider example to find the square root of 3969. There are three steps are there. The first step is fix last digit possibility. Okay. So here you should know that perfect square number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, but not with 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay, so it means that when the last digit in the given number is 0, then square root of given number ends with 0 only. If the last digit in the given number is 1, then square root of that number ends with either 1 or 9. If its last digit is 4, it gives to 2 or 8. If last digit is 5, then its square root ends with 5 only. If the last digit is 6, then the given square root of given number ends with 4 or 6. If the last digit is 9, then its square root ends with 3 or 7. Okay. So I have considered square root of, we discuss square root of 3969. The first step is step number 1, fix last digit possibility. So as this table explained here in our example, here last digit ends with 9. So when last digit ends with 9, its square root of given number ends with 3 or 7. So first you have to fix the last digit, that is ends with 3 or 7. This is step 1. Next, we come to the second step. The second step is strike off. So here, after noting down last digit, we have to strike off these two numbers, 69. Okay. Next, we consider this 39. And we have to find perfect square close to 39. We have to find perfect square close to 39, that is 36. Got it here? 36 is a perfect square close to 39. So I mean 36 is 6 square. Okay. So here next part is deciding part. To deciding the part, here we make use this 6 with the fix, what you have fixed last digit. So I mean that square root of given number 3969 is either I here I take this 6 and 3. Okay, that is either 63 or 6 and 7, 67. Got it here? I make use this 6, either 63 or 67. This is our deciding part. So here we have to decide square root of 3969 is either 63 or 67. Here to decide, here we multiply this 6 with the next number is 7, that is equal to 42. That I will call it as the value of value, just the name as a value. So now we have to compare 39 and this 42. This is very important step. Here observe here, this 39 is in our number, 39 is less than the value 42. Okay. Here, therefore, our square root of 3969 is the smaller one. Got it here? If our number is less than the value, then it is smaller number. If our number is greater than the value, then its value is bigger one. So, therefore, square root of 3969 is equal to 63. In the by using the same procedure, we find the square root of a perfect square. We find the square root of any perfect square number. Okay, thank you for watching.